And some breaking news is coming in. Shares of Chinese smartphone giant Xiaomi have fallen by almost 6% in its trading debut in Hong Kong. The long-awaited IPO has been overshadowed by the start of a US-China trade war and bearish investor sentiment. Investors felt a lack of confidence even before public trading started, selling their shares at a discount on the unofficial grey market last week. Despite being one of the most anticipated Chinese technology IPOs this year, Xiaomi saw a disappointing valuation of $54 billion, which is well below its ambitious $100 billion target. That's the big breaking news right now on WION, that the shares of the Chinese company Xiaomi have fallen by almost 6% in its trading debut in Hong Kong. The long-awaited IPO has been overshadowed by the start of a US-China trade war and bearish investor sentiment. In fact, investors are feeling a lack of confidence even before public trading started, selling their shares at a discount on the unofficial grey market last week. And despite being one of the most anticipated Chinese technology IPOs this year, Xiaomi has seen a disappointing valuation of $54 billion, which is well below its ambitious $100 billion target. Remember that the brand Xiaomi is extremely popular here in India as well. And this could affect the customers in India. And joining me live very soon is Sumit Chaturvedi. He's a business correspondent live from the newsroom. Sumit, looks like Xiaomi did not get the response that it wanted. How did it affect the global market right now?
Overall, Shivangi, it will be right to say that the Xiaomi is actually facing a lot of competition, and it could be a result of the global trade war also, because of the trade war, it's not clear what the future of big overall the tech giants would be. Though it was the biggest tech IPO in the last 4 years, the future is uncertain. We have seen the case of ZTE, where they had to pay $1 billion to US to enable them to work there. The future of tech companies is a big as far as the US business is concerned, and also competition is huge. That is because of it, the overall sentiment has come down, and sentiment plays a major role as far as IPOs are concerned.
Right, Sumit. You know that this brand Xiaomi is extremely popular here in India. Now, how will the Indian customer be affected by this?
It doesn't look like there would be an immediate, impact of this on Indian customers. But yes, as far as the overall plans are concerned, yes, they could get impacted, because the money raising was meant mainly for expansion in markets like India, markets in Europe, and about US market can't be said, because US has a very different approach towards China. We have seen President Trump going for an all-out war against China, especially the trade is concerned, imports are concerned, and Xiaomi's phones are imported in US. So that's how there's a big concern. But as far as India plans are concerned, it is not. It doesn't look like it's going to be a bit different from what they had planned earlier, because India comparatively is a very small market for them, and they are a big player. Though they are a big player, they have already invested a lot of money here.
Right, Sumit. Thank you for joining us with all those details.